Guys, what's going on? We are sitting on a Tuesday instead of our typical day because I was not here yesterday. But either way, we're going to try to grab some quick cash. So, not very long, just something to get in, get out, take in some quick profit, and move forward, right? So, let me share my screen. Now, where we were at last week, we were sitting just below 230,000. Now we're sitting at 242. Let me point that out. Yeah, right here, 242,000. Here is our demo account, and we were trading on crude oil since that is what the market was actually doing good for us. It's sitting at 82%. I want to go back to the euro dollar, and it looks like it actually may be a good trade today, but let's just take a look and find our bias. Yeah, downtrending on the 4 hour, 1 hour downtrend, so pretty safe to say. So we're going to go to the 1 minute time frame, put in our support and the resistance, and enter a couple of trades and make some cash. And you can kind of see some of our trades that were taking place right here last week. So all crude oil, and that's where we took our cash from, right? So yeah, just kind of bring this over here. This is about our window area. We're going to delete so we don't have anything unnecessary. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do 5. We know we're in a downtrend. We don't really need to have our trend line. And we want to go to the next one down. Yep, from where we're going down now. Because since we're on a downtrend, we're going to see that. And about right here as well, in between right there. And see how true it stays to it. You can see it stayed true to it, broke down. Here it went a little bit above. Or so here. Yeah, something like that. And the downtrend, this is already played out. We can't enter a trade here. 1 minute and 40. And we're going to wait for another opportunity to come. Got some strong rejections coming down. But where are the rejections coming from? About right here at the top. Where? Yeah, right here. And this should start pumping up a little bit. Do 250. Get in, get out. See how well. We want a confirmation that's going to close below it before we start going any further down. But because we have the wicks, it shows quite the opposite. So we will wait. Mm-hmm. Okay. Go to our open positions. Not really a whole lot of movement going on. Hmm. We close out on those other two, which is good. So we're very close to like halfway of our goal of $1,000 per trading session. Big rejection on the higher price. Just not a lot of movement going on. And this trade will put us exactly at our goal, and we can honestly call it quits in that moment because we reached our goal, we got in, we got out. We have some pretty good execution so far by catching it right as it closed at that acting support. A little fighting going on, not a big deal. These are iffy, the 250s, but even the 1,000 down here simply because it was like halfway through the window. But we're going to take that risk here. Yeah, I thought it would be a fake. Our timing on the countdown timer is honestly on point too, which is really good. Really no wicks. This is just kind of some excitement coming in, so I expect it to start going down, showing the price movement. Yeah, actually pretty healthy. Keep going down, keep pushing down. Come on, do it. Drive us on down. Drive us on down. There we go. Very good. Very good. Well above our goal. I like what I'm seeing. Because when we came in, we brought it from 20,000 to 242,000 in like 5 months, 6 months. So it's fantastic. So now we can be working closely to 250,000, which is amazing. So let's see how we're doing. Yeah, we got this one in the bag, I think. Good trade today, especially to go in, get out. And jackpot, 246,000. So 4 grand today in profit. 4 grand in literally just like 10 minutes. Very, very good. All right. So that kind of shows where I want to be trading. Let's take a look at some other things right now. So it doesn't even make sense to enter a trade until we come back up to the resistance level anyways. And since it's going to be a short live stream today, then I don't think we're really going to get there too much. But this huge window is a good example of how to write it up. So these big ones, it's the short ones, like you have like right here. See how it's much smaller? You don't want to, you can, but it's so tricky to get in and actually not get liquidated from the timer. So these bigger ones, you have more of a playroom, and we didn't enter until we came out to like right here at 1.14. It was halfway, and so we even kind of balanced up to right here, and it started going down. So about 4 minutes was the time frame, and you can see how it makes that bigger gap. You have more candles that can fit inside of it if it's a healthy market. So this is a pretty healthy market, good return ratio. Just want to check out on some crypto bubbles. Oh, very good. Market cap for the day, Bitcoin 4.3%, Solana's at 3.7, XRP is 4.2. AVAX is also doing good. Monthly is iffy, right? Half of them did okay. Weekly, which is what I like the most, is 5.9, 5.4, XRP. Let me move it over so you guys can see. 4.7 for XRP. Solana, I have to move them over to 3.7. TRX barely did anything. Very good. And of course, the euro dollar right now is in a downswing for the current moment. Okay, so 246,000, 242, so 4 grand in profit. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Very good. I really like seeing that. So about 5 trades, something like that. Super. All right. Let's look at the crude oil situation too while we're waiting. Fell well below when we were last trading, which was minutes. But let's look at the 4 hours. Yeah. Fell gradually going down, lower lows, higher lows. I'm sorry, lower highs and lower lows until now. But depending on how that's going to happen, if it closes up, if this one closes, kind of a confirmation that it'll be doing kind of okay. Which has a good possibility of continue going up. So fantastic. Go ahead and clear out these euro one. Retraded that a while back. Euro dollar from where we are now. Continuing. This is the 1 hour. Okay, that's why it looks strange. Starting to work its way back up. Didn't quite touch. That means probably with this huge rejection wick, yeah, about right here, I bet. That's where we should have had it. Yeah, about there. Yeah, either way, we touched, we got pretty good. I believe it's still going to continue going down. Just the bulls have the power. All right, so we'll call that in. Like I said, 4 grand in profit. Fantastic, fantastic trade. Just 5 trades, we were able to do it. So roughly around $1,000 a trade, closely to that. Um, Beautiful. All right. So guys, you see how it's done. Be sure to join me again tomorrow. We'll do it again tomorrow afternoon, and don't go anywhere. Right. So if you missed today, I'm sorry, but we'll do it again tomorrow. And happy trading. Have a great week.